Welcome to Always Dolls. This is Sarah and I hope you're having a great day. It's been a while between videos. Unfortunately, life has taken some difficult twists and turns, but we are crafting again and today bring you a popular request for an American Girl gymnastics set. See how to make a simple balance beam, a folding floor mat, and fun incline ramp. If you enjoy this video, we'd love it if you hit the like button and click the new subscribe bar so you never miss a new DIY. Okay, let's get making! For the balance beam, we used up scraps of thick 10mm foam board, but you can cut and stack layers of cardboard for the same result. Our beam measures 50 centimeters long by 3.5 centimeters wide and is 4 centimeters high. Stack and glue your foam board pieces. Next, cover the foam board in fabric. We have this remnant of vinyl from a previous craft and we'll flip it over to use the textured side. Cut a large rectangle to go around the beam and 2 shorter strips for the ends. Adhere your fabric to the ends of the beam first. We found it easiest and quickest with hot glue. Simply align the straight sides, then press the fabric into the glue for a strong connection. Repeat for the other side. Then wrap your longer strip around the beam. It helps to work in small sections, applying a little hot glue, then smoothing the fabric over top. Here we overlap the fabric on the underside for a neat finish. Next, we chose to paint our fabric cream so it looked similar to the American Girl version. To raise the beam, we use small wooden pegs for feet. These are from a decorative stationery set and measure 4.5 centimeters in length. Take 3 pegs and paint them silver. Then hot glue them to the bottom of the beam, placing a peg at each end and one in the middle. For a finishing touch, write the American Girl logo onto the side of the balance beam with hot pink marker. Now let's make the folding floor mat. We have a variety of coloured plastic tablecloths and found this dark blue one matched the AG version best. The mat itself is a piece of 5mm foam saved from packaging. Cut the foam into 3 identical sized rectangles. We could only get 2 from this sheet. Lay the foam centered on a large piece of blue cloth. Put strips of double-sided tape onto the foam, then wrap it with a layer of the cloth. Since the plastic is very thin, we need to cover the mat with another layer. This time, cut a piece that is twice the width of your foam. Run the tape along the top and bottom, then fold up the plastic to trap the mat inside whilst giving you a finished edge. Now place strips of double-sided tape along the vertical sides of the mat, then fold over the cloth, sealing the mat inside. We have an extra 1 centimeter of plastic cloth along the long edge to make a tab where we can join our mats together. Repeat this process for your other foam rectangles, then connect them using the tabs with more double-sided tape. The gymnastics mat will lay out flat and easily fold closed for storage. You can leave the mat plain or decorate it like AG's most recent Truly Me version. Draw or print out stars in different sizes. Fold your paper star in half, then slip it over a folded piece of plastic tablecloth. Cut around the shape, then open it up. Make more stars in different colors of plastic cloth. Attach the stars to your mat using liquid glue. Once the glue is dry, your mat is ready for the dolls to use. To make an incline ramp, we are going to repurpose the foam board ski slope from our DIY Corinne and Gwynn's bedroom set. You could also use cardboard for this piece. For the ramp, you need to cut 2 triangular side walls, a base rectangle, back wall, and long top piece. Glue the base to the back wall, then attach the 2 triangular side walls. Your top piece should slot into the space in between. Give the foam board a couple of coats of pink paint, then decorate by gluing a red paper star to the corner of each side wall. Fantastic! Your DIY American Girl gymnastics set is complete. Thanks again to our viewers for making this request. And see you again soon for more miniature crafting fun!